f of x, they given that f of x is a polynomial function satisfying the condition that f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x, and they given f of 2 is equal to minus 7 and asking to find f of 5, right? Now tell me what is the equation, such this equation I just gave you, no? What is the form? F of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. What is the form of this function? F of x is equal to 1 plus minus x power n. See here, this is main thing, notification is important. So you need to identify the pattern. चलो ये तो समझ में आ गया, फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्लियर. से सिंपल इजी है ना. सेकेंड पॉइंट you need to substitute this. So f of 2 I substitute here. What I get here? 1 plus or minus 2 to the power of n. Right? Suno sir. 1 here I substituted 2. So f of 1 plus 2 power n is equal to how much? Minus 7. है ना? तो अभी बोलो n क्या हो सकता है? You need to find n. 3. So here can I write this as f of 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 to the power of 3, है ना? So then only here n should be 3, then this is the correct form and it should be minus. So I identified n value. So the function will be what, tell me? F of x is equal to 1 plus minus x to the power of 3 is the required function. Right, function identified. Or what do you have to find? F of 5. Substitute it. Answer? Minus 124. So answer is minus 124. That's it, simple. Identifying is important. See here. Next question is f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. So, and f of 2 is equal to 9. Okay, then you have to find here which of the options are correct. These are advanced questions, so you may have multiple answers right. So what is this form? F of x into f of 1 by x is equal to 1 plus or minus x. Right. So the form of the function is f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x to the power of n. This is the form of the function. Identified? Or be correct. Right. See here, f of 2 is equal to how much they given? 9. Right? F of 2 is 9. So what I get here? F of, ये लिख सकते हैं ना? 1 plus x power n is equal to 9. I go for this. And what is the, n must be? 3. Right? N must be 3. So I identified function now. What is the function here? F of x is equal to 1 plus x to the power of n. Identified function. Now what to do? You have to substitute each option. Check. चेक कर सकते हैं ना. तो इस चेक में है ना B, C will be right. You can check it. Say this is the question. F of x is such that f of 0 is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 4. They given this. So they are asking that f of 4 is equal to how much? So take the given. When they given equation, this equation is not matching. Now see here, thing is not matching with any of the properties of 5. I gave 6 properties, I gave 6 equations. It's not matching, then we have to do another way. That's what now. Now what is there? F of x plus 2 is equal to, you have 2 times of f of x minus f of x plus 1 for all x belongs to real. Means it is satisfying for all real numbers. This is main important. Here it is given, it is satisfying for all real number. Means it is satisfied for 0, 1, 2, anything. So I have to take our wish. ना? तो मैं क्या करता हूँ सर, इधर मुझे क्या है, 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करता हूँ. मैं क्या देखता हूँ फर्स्ट, इज इट these two things can be used here or not. Okay, I can take x is anything. X can be taken anything. So if I substitute x is equal to 0, let's see. If I substitute x is equal to 0, what I will get? Tell me. F of 0 plus 2, that is 2, is equal to 2 times of f of 0 minus f of 0 plus 1 is 1, है ना? अच्छा, तो ये आप सीधा देखो, अच्छे से देखो अभी. f of 2 is equal to 2 into f of 0 value is how much? अच्छा, f of 1 value is how much? So this subtraction is how much? Means you got how much? F of 2 is equal to minus 2. You want to get f of 4. Now we'll go for 3. And if x is equal to 1, if I substitute x is equal to 1, what I get? F of 3 is equal to, tell me, 2 times of f of 1 minus f of 2. So this is equal to, can I write this is equal to 2 times of, what is f of 1? F of 1 is 4 minus, what is f of 2? Minus 2. So what I get here? 8 plus 2, 10. Right? Now we will go for, if x is equal to 2, then what I get here? 2 plus 2, 4 is equal to, now tell me, 2 times of, tell me, f of 4 minus f of 5. So what I am getting here? 2 into, anything went wrong? 2 into f of 4 is what? f of 4 you have to find, ना? आ जाइए इधर, इसको इधर लेके आओ. हाँ, इधर f of 2 ना सर, तुम नहीं बोला. और ये f of 3 है, तुम नहीं बोला सर. f of 2 is how much? Minus 2. Minus f of 3 is how much? 10. So what you get here? Minus 4 minus 10. How much here? Minus 14. So option C is right answer. है ना मिस्टर प्रथमेश? किधर गया? हाँ. See, this is also not like the function, right? जो इक्वेशन हमने दिया था 6 में, वो 6 में नहीं है. तो हम क्या करना है सर? इसको देखना है और इसको देखना है. These two are 6. How to get 6? इसमें कैसा आएगा? ओके, तो क्या है ना, f of x into y is equal to f of x by f of y you have, correct? Okay, then what you do here, x is equal to, I substitute 6, y is equal to, I will substitute 1. And x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1. If I substitute, what I will get, tell me? f of 6, no? f of 6 equal to f of 6, no? f of 6 by f of 1. तो क्या होगा? f of 1 value how much? f of 1 how much they given? Not given. f of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, now what we do here? 14 आना है ना? f of 1 is equal to 6 नहीं, f of 1 is equal to 1 ना, f of 1 is equal to 1, right? f of 1 is equal to 1 na, from this. Now I have to find how much here? 14. I have to find is how much? 14. But I know 1. I know 1. I need to find 14. So what should be substituted? X and y. 14 into 1, right? So I can write x is equal to 14, y is equal to 1. So what I get here? F of 14 into 1, 14 is equal to f of 14 by f of mistake in the question, ये y है. So this is the right question now. F of x into y is equal to f of x by y, f of 6 equal to 21, then you have to find. So let us take, now here x is equal to what I can take now? Update. So you have identified, right? You need to get 6, right? Tell me, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1, can I keep? X equal to 6, y equal to 1. So what I get here? F of 6 into 1, f of 6 into 1 is equal to, tell me, f of 6 divided by 1. F of 6. एक मिनट, इधर 1 इधर 6 लेते, 1 6. सो क्या होगा? f of x is equal to, see here, if I am taking x equal to 1, y is equal to 6. Why I am taking is 6 is there, na? I am looking this one actually. 6 is there, so 6 should get. So x equal to 1, y is equal to 6. So what I get? F of 6 is equal to f of 1, right? F of 1 by 6. Correct? See, we need to check in any one of the cases. So f of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. If I take 6 and 1, I am not getting that. So here take 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 means f of 6 equal to f of 1 by 6. So f of 1 value will be how much? F of 1 will be f of 6 into 6, that is 21 into 6. Correct? Now what I have to take here? 14 I have to get. 14 I have to get. Means I have to take x is equal to 14, y is equal to 1. Let's see. See, you need to shift either or we see that one. So what I get here? F of 14 is equal to what I will get here? Again f of 14, na? So here 1 and here 14. So here f of 14 is equal to f of 1 by y value 14. Right. So this is equal to f of 1 value is how much? 21 into 6 by 14. Right. So 2 table, 2 3 times, 2 7 times, 7 3 times, 3 3s are 9. So B is right answer. See, only logic is here. You need to see that 6 is there. How to make 6? You can take another cases also, but see that the result should come out. Means I know already f of 6. So 6 multiple is my target. They given f of 6 here. So I am taking 6 multiple, like first case 6 multiple. Then I got one value, then I tried another value. 14 is required, so 14 into 1, like that. So it depends on our calculation.